Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And this is 9 in the morning. And you know what that means, right? I'm making myself, let me get my fork. I'm losing it and a spoon. So I'm making a hot and spicy shrimp flavor. And mini san, these are about $2 a cup at Fred Meyer's store or any supermarket. $2, $3. Most people that are thrift or have no money, this is what we eat in a day. Just ramen, we add flavor, we add whatever, it's just ramen, $3 a box of ramen. Let me get something else. You may like this more than you should. It calls Pickles, soy veggie. These are $7 at Safeway. It's soy vegetable. It's more of a daikon fermented. Ouch. You have the củ cải with carrot and jalapeno, something like this. Củ cải, carrot, jalapeno fermented. They have pepper. They have celery. So it's really good, actually. If you're used to daikon fermented stuff. I think I spilled a bunch of. It's a risotto there. I'm so happy. Today is my last day of vacation, which is day 5 of my vacation. And I want to introduce something for you. A Petite Duo. This is a product of France. I got it from Costco yesterday. I think it's running about $29.99 a bottle. St. Julian 2021. Let me get my information because I don't have enough information yet. Now we're talking. So here we go. Let me see. I took a picture of it. So yesterday I went to Costco. I bought, you know what? I don't think I have the picture of that here. No. Chai rượu này là 29 xu. But I don't see any thing that said, ouch. So, I don't know. Let's try anyway. It's a product of France from St. Julian 2021. It's not that expensive, but just something to drink during the vacation or whatever. And they have dark aroma, cherry. Let me see what they have. They have Bordeaux, it's red Bordeaux wine. It didn't say much. It smells so good. It's alright, not so bad. I bought sandwiches, hot dog, and chicken wrap. And they're not much. They don't have pizza or chicken down south. That's all they have. And I got frozen pizza. I got, what else do I have? Frozen pizza. I got some of the cookie, bread, hot dog that were on sale. So I'm watching one of these shows that one of the influencers went to jail because they went to a Gucci store in Florida and she stole a iPod. Just a tiny iPod, $330 iPod. And it was on camera too. She went in to buy 2 bottles of perfume from a Gucci store and then she left with the iPod holder in her purse. But she went back the next day thinking that they don't know. They have video there. They look at the video and thinking that they're gonna bypass the video, don't look at. And she came back the next day to get something else. And the cop was there and she was detained, arrested, stayed in jail for when she posted $1,000 bail bond. And she kept the cop that, oh, I'm rich, I don't need to steal nothing. Even though you're rich, stealing is a habit. Not because you need it or you don't need it, it's a habit. It's a very bad habit. I know people like Lindsay Lohan, she stole this diamond necklace. And she make good money, but she stick to steal. So I know whether you have money or you don't have money, stealing is still a habit that sometimes people upset with. So thank you for watching. This is not bad. If you like, you should try it's a hot spicy ramen from Korea. And the wine, it tastes more like cherry dot fruit. $39.99 or $29.99, I don't remember, but it's somewhere there. See you later. Bye.